Hi, good to see you. This is Karen. I'm a huge fan of crystals and I make healing stones jewelries. As promised in my last video, I'm going to show you the way how I made a yoga jewelry for one of my local customers. She's a yoga teacher and she has been buying from me since 2019. This time she asked me to customize a simple design of garnet waist beads for her so that she can sell to her students and teach them how to meditate and unblock the root chakra with garnet beads. If you are interested in healing crystals or making DIY jewelries, don't forget to subscribe my channel.
We start with the buckle, and that's how you put it on. Okay, this is flexible, and this is the ending. Buyer asked for total length 85 cm for her waist, and I will make 86 for her for a little bit comfort. We thread in one bead and then we make a knot here. Make it again. Okay, about 1.5 inches. Tighten it. We cut the short one. Then we burn it. And we start to thread in the garnet beads. Here we go. Every bead is hand-picked. You roll the beads like this, so you will see if there's any bead with defect. Again. Got a few inches to go. And talking about my yoga customer, I never met her before. So we communicate through the Wechat app. She bought a lot of crystals and healing stones from me. Aquamarine, Orlite 23, clear quartz, mostly are turquoise and amber. She could feel the energy from healing stones. That's why she's very obsessed with all these healing stones jewelries. It's 86 cm already, and then I will make a knot like this. Okay, so this is the ending bead, and make another knot. And it's done. Okay, so let's go back to the first part. We need to make 2 knots like this. Then we get the string. Again. Then we cut string. So it's done. All 3 of them. This one is almost, it's over 1 meter long. And I'm going to cleanse all of them tonight.